The "something went wrong" error in the MyRogers app is a generic message indicating an unexpected issue. This usually means the app is failing to communicate properly with Rogers servers. The reasons can range from simple user-side problems to more complex server-side issues. Common causes include outdated app versions, corrupted app cache, and a weak or unstable internet connection. Device compatibility issues with older operating systems, server-side problems like high traffic or outages, VPN interference, and concurrent use across multiple devices. Addressing this error effectively requires a systematic approach, starting with the most common and easily fixable issues. Let's start with the basics. First, force close the MyRogers app completely. On most devices, you can do this by swiping it away from your recent apps or using the app switcher. Then, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. The MyRogers app requires at least 5 Mbps download speed. Test your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection and switch if needed. Now check for app updates. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and update MyRogers to the latest version. This often includes bug fixes for common errors. Clear the app's cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, MyRogers Storage, and Clear Cache. This removes corrupted data that might cause errors. Try logging out of the app and logging back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve authentication-related issues. Disable any VPNs or ad blockers temporarily. These can interfere with the app's connection to Rogers' servers. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Go to Settings and check for iOS or Android updates to maintain compatibility. If issues persist, contact Rogers support. Use their chat feature or call 1-800-ROGERS for personalized assistance. For prevention, enable auto updates and use the built-in diagnostics tool in the app. Monitor Rogers' social media for service outages, like the one on October 15, 2025.